Hi, it's Corinna from Engagement Hub, just showcasing one of our client sites, as I think it's a really great example of how you could organise some projects using some of the tools and features of Engagement Hub. So this is the City of Swan, which is a local government in Western Australia, and they're avid users of their Engagement Hub site. One of the reasons I wanted to show this to you today was to showcase how they use these different categories almost of projects to showcase some of the things that are going on within that local government. So they have a specific project which lists all of the planning consultations, one that lists all of the road closures, and one that lists all of the major projects and open consultations. And what that means is that you can use our related projects tool, which is a really flexible tool. Many of our clients use it for lots of different ways because you can embed text, images, videos, but you can also link to other projects that you have live on the platform. And that's what they're doing here. They're using the categories to showcase current consultations and major projects. So this really directs the community to what are the most important things that the City of Swan want them to look at, the current consultations, and what were the major consultations in the past that they may have been aware of, and then these just link directly out to each project. So I think it's a really great way of utilising some of the tools and organising the way that they structured their projects.